everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's our first day shooting at the Quigley, and we've got a pretty constant 17 to 20 mile an hour wind blowing. We're shooting on the 530 yard rectangles, and both me and my buddy Mike back there from the Marines, he's on the spotter setup right now. In our first 12 rounds, we've already put a lot of good lead on that target. So let's keep on going and see how we do. Try to set this week off straight. That's 5 straight. All you need is 8 straight, right? Yep. That's 6. 6 straight. Seven.
You hit it. 7.
Each stage, you get 8 shots for score on target, right? When you hit all 8, they give you what's called an 8 straight pin. So we'll see if I can do it right now within my first hour of getting to this range. Oh! Oh! Denied! And those guys is 124, and then of course you're just a little way up to get to 125, which is right there. Try 120 first. And who knows? Who knows what it's going to hit, you know?
Yeah.
I mean...
Yeah.
Ah, still high.
Yep, dead on.
I'm going to drop back. If I was at 100 there, I'm going to go back to...
Mine runs at about 90. Yeah, 94.
Yeah.
But I'm going quite a bit slower than you do.
Yeah, this bullet's only 500 grains. So it's going 14. My number was 1405.
Wow.
But that's where the note was. You know, my standard deviation is only around 4 feet per second, shot to shot, and I wasn't going to give that up, you know. Still high.
Still high and left. There, you got it.
That's 2 in a row, right? Or is straight, baby. 8 straight.
There it is.
There's one.
You done for today?
No, I'm gonna go down one more. I just want the empty beat.
2. Ah, went right over it.
You pull that one a little bit?
Huh?
Pull that one a little bit over.
Yeah, high. You want to try it?
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
So I'm still on a little higher dope. Let's go down to his 68 dope call and see what happens.
Elevation was good. You're just over the left triangle.
Oh, okay.
Just over it.
All right.
I mean,
If it was a square, I hit it.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. And I'm shooting what I call my
Elevation was right on.
45 center mass hole.
Hit.
Fuck. That one got me. That one got me. That hurt.
Hit. That's it. Now you're dialed in now.
Yep, I'm satisfied with that.